Welcome back. Today we will treat order of operations as a reading system, not a race through a slogan. Compare 6 plus 2 times 5 with the quantity 6 plus 2 times 5. In the first expression, multiplication is visible at the main level, so 2 times 5 becomes 10 and the value is 16. In the second expression, parentheses make 6 plus 2 a single group, so 8 times 5 gives 40. The digits are the same. The structure is different, so the value is different. Our goal is to read that structure before touching the arithmetic. Here is the complete priority map. Start with grouping symbols, including parentheses, brackets, fraction bars, and radicals. Next, evaluate exponents and roots, and complete multiplication and division from left to right. Finally, complete addition and subtraction from left to right. Notice the paired operations. Multiplication does not automatically beat division, and addition does not automatically beat subtraction. Each pair shares one level. This map is useful because it tells you what to do now and what must wait. Mark the structure, complete one legal move, and rewrite a clean line. Equal priority is where many careful learners still lose points. Look at 24 divided by 6 times 3. Division and multiplication share a level, so read from left to right. 24 divided by 6 is 4, and 4 times 3 is 12. If we multiply 6 times 3 first, we silently invent parentheses and get a different answer. The same principle applies to 18 minus 7 plus 4. Subtract first because it appears first. 18 minus 7 is 11, then 11 plus 4 is 15. Left to right protects the expression that was actually printed. Let us build a full solution for 4 plus 3 squared times 2. The exponent acts first, so 3 squared becomes 9. Rewrite the expression as 4 plus 9 times 2. Multiplication is next, giving 4 plus 18. Addition comes last, so the final value is 22. A quick check helps. 9 times 2 is 18. So the answer should be a little greater than 18. 22 fits. The useful habit is visible rewriting. Each line should change only the part you just completed. Everything else stays in place. Now evaluate 2 times the bracket 5 plus the quantity 9 minus 6, all squared. Work from the smallest container outward. 9 minus 6 is 3. The bracket becomes 5 plus 3, which is 8. The exponent applies to the completed bracket, so 8 squared is 64. Finally, multiply by 2 to get 128. Check the sign and size. A positive number is squared and then multiplied by positive 2, so a positive answer is required. Writing one stage at a time keeps the nested structure from collapsing into guesswork. A learner evaluates 64 divided by 8 times 2 and reports 4. Let us find the first changed meaning. The learner grouped 8 times 2 even though no parentheses surround that product. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so the printed order must be followed from left to right. Start with 64 divided by 8, which is 8. Then multiply 8 by 2 to get 16. The correct answer is 16, not 4. An inverse check confirms it. 16 divided by 2 returns 8. The result of the first legal step. Use this calm routine on every expression. First, mark groups, powers, roots, and signs. Second, predict the likely sign and size. Third, complete one legal operation and rewrite. Fourth, check with estimation or an inverse operation. Final challenge. Evaluate 48 divided by the quantity 2 times 4 plus 1. The grouped divisor is 8. 48 divided by 8 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. The answer is 7. Remember the core idea. Grouping creates units, paired operations share priority, and left to right preserves the structure you were given.